little giggle scientists. Welcome to Totally Toddler-Ed, where we believe that learning can be fun and entertaining for little toddlers. Today, we are going to explore the world of silly science jokes with our Laugh and Learn series. This is the show where we turn the world of science into a land of laughter and knowledge. We've got a special treat for you, a collection of silly science jokes that will have you laughing and learning at the same time. Are you ready for some giggles? Look at these adorable little scientists cracking up. Laughter is the best way to learn, so get ready for a science joke extravaganza. Science can be a serious subject, but why not add a little humor to it? We have compiled a list of age-appropriate science jokes that will surely make your little ones laugh and learn at the same time. Let's start with our first joke. Why was the math book sad? Because it had too many problems. Kiddos, remember math is a part of science, and it's essential to teach you about numbers and counting, and we can make it enjoyable by cracking a few jokes. All right, let's dive into another joke. Why did the watermelon become a chemist? Any guesses, Tiny Tots? Because it wanted to turn juice into science. Get it? Juice into science. Next, let's move on to our next joke. Why did the tomato turn red? Because it saw the salad dressing. This joke is all about colors and how they can change. It's a great way to introduce the concept of color mixing and how different colors can create new colors. Now let's shake things up with another joke. Why do molecules love to dance? Because they've got good chemistry. Haha, see what we did there? Chemistry, like when two things go together perfectly. Now, let's move on to our next joke. Why did the chicken cross the playground? To get to the other slide. This joke is all about movement and exercise. It's a great way to encourage you to be physically active and have fun while doing it. Get ready for some musical science with our next joke. What do you call a beaker that can play music? A beaker speaker. Imagine a beaker singing its heart out, making science a musical masterpiece. Moving on to our next joke. What do you get when you cross a snowman and a shark? Frostbite. This joke is all about animals and their adaptations. It's a great way to teach you about different animals and how they survive in their environments. Here's a sweet one for you. Why was the cookie so good at science? Because it was one smart cookie. Smart cookies not only taste good, but are also brilliant scientists. Let's go on with another joke. Why did the cookie go to the doctor? Because it felt crummy. This joke is all about health and wellness. It's essential to teach you about taking care of your body and eating healthy foods. Hold on to your laughter for this one. Why did the helium balloon go to the party? Because it wanted to bring some laughing gas. Helium makes your voice sound funny, like a little giggle balloon. Let's wrap up with our final joke. Why did the microscope go on vacation? Because it needed to take a closer look at the world. Microscopes are like tiny explorers, helping us see things up close and personal. As you can see, laughter and learning can go hand in hand. By incorporating silly science jokes into your daily routine, we can make learning enjoyable and exciting. So, go ahead and share these jokes with your family and other little ones, and watch them laugh and learn at the same time. And there you have it, our little laugh and learn scientists. I hope these jokes brought smiles to your faces and a little more science magic to your day. Thank you for joining us at Totally Toddler Ed, where we believe that learning can be fun and entertaining for little toddlers. Keep giggling, keep exploring, and most importantly, keep being the amazing little scientists that you are. Until next time, stay silly, stay curious, and keep laughing and learning. Bye-bye, Tiny Tots.